What's up, YouTube? It's Biz149 here, and I just got a new package from Plastic Chapel. If you can see it right there. And it's a Dunny series, the UK series, and they put in an extra toy because the order came late because he goofed up or whatever. But thank you, Plastic Chapel, and shop there. They're a really cool site. So we're gonna use a knife to open it. Don't run around with knives, kids. Okay, here we go. Where should I cut it? Should I cut it right here? Open. It's kind of fun using a knife, though. Okay. Okay. So next we have to do this part. And we have to open this up like this. Darn, it's so hard to open. Okay, wait, you have to use this part. Okay. It's about like 11 o'clock here. I knew I had it this morning, but I didn't get to open it because I was... One second. Okay, I have scissors. Okay, so how do you open this thing? Good lord. It's a big package. It's a really big package. I was in Meet the Spartans. I can't open this. Dear lord. Oh wait, here we go. Open this part, I think. Slide. 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 There we go. Okay. This is it. There we go. Perfect. Wait. This way? Open it up like that? Darn. Almost there. There we go. And pull this up. And let's see what we got in here. We have got... Gotta pull all this crap out. Okay, let's see. We got Dunny. Oh wait, no, this is the French series, I forgot. And as the extra one, we get a... Oh, yes! Bear Brick. Series 14. What? And nothing else in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna open them up. I'm gonna start with the Bear Brick, because I've never had a Bear Brick before. I think they're kind of awesome. See if it's a cool one. Oh wait, what's that? Okay, this is a sticker, I think. So glad it's a Bear Brick. I was hoping it would be a Trixie, but Bear Bricks are awesome. Especially the big ones. Okay, let's see what artist this is. Oh wait, no, it doesn't show what artist it is. It just says Series 14. Pick me a winner. This will be worth some money. This looks like a cool one. It's a girl. Let's see if it's on here. Basic. It's not even on here. Assortment rate. It's not it. No, it's not on here. C-double-O-L. Okay, now to open the Dunny. I hope I get that one. That one. See that one right there with the boombox in on? Okay, let's pray. Please get it. Please get it. Please get it. Please, please, please. What if I don't? I'll be happy. It'll be cool. Because I like Dunny anyways. This will be my 5th Dunny. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's not that one, but I got Nasty. Yeah. Awesome. That's cool. And it's a cool sticker. And, oh wait, what's that? Oh wait, that's it in there. So, we got Bear Brick Series 14 and Nasty of the Dunning French series. $6.95 on plasticchapel.com. I'll put it up in the source, or whatever it's called, in the box up there. Up there, I think. Whatever. But shop Plastic Chapel. It's a really good site. It's a really awesome site. So go there and have some fun. Thanks for watching my review. And hopefully, if I'm lucky, I'll be having a review of an iPhone on there. What? Okay. So, yeah, I might be getting an iPhone. But I'll post a review for you guys. And thank you, and have a great day. This is Biz149 signing off. Bye-bye. Shop Plastic Chapel.